Ciao a tutti, welcome back to Daily Italian with Elena and welcome to the second part of the videos about prepositions. So in the previous videos we looked at our first three prepositions, di, a and da. So today we'll keep on going with those and we'll look at three more prepositions which are in, con and su. Remember, we look at the preposition taken as they are, so simple preposition, and I will always leave you a chart where you can see how each preposition changes when it's followed by an article. So let's get started with our three prepositions of the day. The first preposition is in. In. When do we use it? We use in to talk about places, mostly to talk about places we are in that moment. So for example, sono in casa, so I'm inside the house. Sono in montagna, I'm on the mountains, we say in montagna. So with certain cases, remember that with places and time, in Italian we have so many different prepositions based on exactly what we want to say. So you need to learn and study each case differently mostly. And in Italian, there are rules for that, of course, but in many cases we just follow the sounds, we just follow what it sounds right. So we use in to talk about some places, mostly when we are inside that place. Quindi in casa, inside the house, in cucina, in the kitchen, in montagna, so it doesn't make sense because we're not in the mountains, but still. And we use in also to say we are in a place with continents, with countries. Sono in Italia, vivo in Italia. Regions, vivo in Lombardia, and the big islands, like vivo in Giappone, like Japan. We use in with transport, so to say in which transports we are in or which transports we are moving with. So for example, vado in treno, so with the train, vado in macchina, with the car, vado in aereo, with the plane. Do you remember what we use when we are walking? A piedi. So that's the only case when we use a. For all the others we use in. We also use in if we're going on a bicycle. We're not inside the bicycle, but we say in bicicletta. Lastly, we use in with time as well, mostly with months and seasons. Vado al mare in luglio, vado al mare in estate. Il mio compleanno è in gennaio, in autunno fa freddo, and so on. So these are just our three cases when we use the preposition in. So with places, mostly when we are inside the place, but also in other cases. And with countries, big islands and regions. With transports, so in bicicletta, in treno, in aereo, and so on. And with time, mostly with months and seasons. Our second preposition of the day is con. Con. Let's see when we use con. We use con as a correspondent of with, so to express company. So, sono con la mia amica, I'm with my friends. Vado con Luca, I'm going with Luca. We use con to express a quality, so we want to describe something. So I want cake with carrots. Voglio la torta con le carote. I know that guy with a bicycle. Conosco quella persona con la bicicletta. Marco è il ragazzo con i capelli neri. So he's the guy with the black hair. We're describing a quality. We're describing something someone has, both on them or with them. So in general, with. For example, also a transport again, vado con la macchina, so I'm going with the car, or way in general, vado con calma, so I'm going slowly, con calma. Guardo il film con entusiasmo, so with excitement. So we use con in general to express the company or the quality, something someone has in general, in all cases. con, with. Our last preposition of the day is going to be su. Su. When do we use it? Again, to express a place, it means on, su. So for example, the cat is on the table. Il gatto è sul tavolo. Or sul balcone c'è un uccello. So on the balcony. Sul balcone c'è un uccello. Or also usually with website, su internet, or also social media. So su Facebook, su Instagram, we always use on, su. We also use su to talk about topics. Questo film è sulla politica, so it is about politic. Ho scritto un tema sulla natura, so I wrote an essay about nature, so the topic. So that's it for su. We just use it to talk about place, on, or a topic, about. These are our prepositions of the day. They are not so complicated today. I think they're a bit faster to learn. In, con, and su. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't yet, you can go and watch the previous one about the preposition di, a, and da, or the next ones where we will learn our last 3 simple prepositions. Thank you for watching again and see you next time. Ciao!